Motorola has been on a spree with the new launches over the last couple of years. It has expanded the G series with the latest G42, which comes as the successor to the G41 launched last year. The Moto G42 is yet another budget phone released by the company. The G42 has entered an already competitive under 15K segment, which is being dominated by the likes of Xiaomi and Realme. Can it stand up to the competition? We try and find out in our review. Right out of the box, the Moto G42 is a good-looking device. The Atlantic green color stands out among the sea of blacks and blues. The matte finish of the frame and the acrylic back panel gives the phone a premium look. At 8.26mm, it is a thin device and weighs just about 174.5 grams. The good part about the phone is that it does not attract fingerprint smudges. The phone is comfortable to use with one hand. It provides a side-mounted sensor. It is easy to reach and works pretty smoothly. It comes with an IP52 rating for dust and water resistance. The display of the Moto G42 is a 6.47-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. The visuals are crystal clear and vivid, and we were not disappointed with the viewing experience. We were, however, unhappy with the 60Hz refresh rate. With companies giving 120Hz, Motorola definitely has made some compromises here. The 60Hz refresh rate seems slow and jarring, especially after experiencing the 90Hz. Motorola has added dual stereo speakers to the device. It comes with Dolby Atmos support. The sound is loud and clear, and we were pretty impressed. The Moto G42 comes with a big battery. Motorola has packed a 5000 mAh battery, but it comes with a 20-watt fast charger. With companies providing nothing less than 33 watts, this did seem like a downgrade. With a full charge, we were able to comfortably use the phone for a day with normal usage. The Moto G42 is a budget 4G smartphone. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset. The chipset is fairly powerful to handle day-to-day tasks with ease, but the processor is not built for heavy gaming. We played Call of Duty Mobile, but it was not the best experience. There were lags and stutters, and it took us quite some time to set up the game as well. The smartphone runs on Android 12 out of the box and gives us a near-stock Android experience. Motorola has promised 3 years of security updates and Android 13 when it launches. Coming to the camera of the Moto G42, it sports a triple camera setup at the back. It includes a 50MP primary lens, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro sensor. The 50MP primary lens clicks some good images, it has a good dynamic range, and there are plenty of details in the picture. However, it oversaturates the images when clicked with the 8MP ultra-wide camera. The macro lens was also a disappointment. The selfie camera had good details but added a pinkish tint. Motorola has launched the Moto G42 in only the 4GB plus 64GB variant. Priced at Rs 13,999, the phone has its pros and cons. The Moto G42 is a good-looking phone with a decent display and a great battery that makes it stand out from the competition. But in comparison to the G52 that was launched by the company in the same segment, it falls flat.